This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Drivebelt Replacement. Open the door and pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Slide the hood safety latch to the left, then raise the hood upwards. Disconnecting the negative battery cable. Loosen the negative cable clamp nut, then disconnect the cable from the negative terminal of the battery and secure it out of the way to prevent accidental reconnection. Unclip the coolant hose from the air intake ducting, then disconnect the intake air temperature sensor electrical connector. Loosen the top hose clamps at the air filter housing and the right-hand turbo intake duct. Loosen the Y duct lower hose clamp, connecting it to the left-hand turbo intake duct. Disconnect the air inlet Y duct from the mating tubes and remove the duct. Loosen the hose clamp at the turbo intake tube. Detach the turbo inlet tube from the grommet, then disconnect it from the right-hand turbo and remove the tube. Using a socket and breaker bar, rotate the tensioner to relieve the tension on the belt, then slip the belt off of an accessible pulley. Once the belt is loose, allow the tensioner to slowly come to rest at its stopping point. Remove the belt from the remaining auxiliary components. Route the new belt loosely over the various pulleys. Rotate the tensioner to allow the belt to be installed. Slowly release the belt tensioner when the belt is fitted onto all the pulleys. This is how the belt should be routed on these 2.7-liter V6 twin-turbo models. Make sure the belt fits properly into all the pulley grooves. It must be completely engaged. Install the right-hand turbo intake tube, connecting it onto the turbo, then pushing the stud on the tube into the mounting grommet. Also attach the coolant hose into the clip on top. Tighten the intake tube to turbo hose clamp securely. Install and connect the Y duct to the necessary tubes. Tighten the Y duct upper hose clamps securely. Tighten the Y duct lower hose clamp securely, then connect the intake air temperature sensor electrical connector. Reconnecting the negative battery cable. Connect the cable to the negative terminal of the battery, then tighten the cable clamp nut securely.